Now to a WJCL 22 News investigation. It's a tough time to be a homeowner. On top of costly maintenance and repairs, home insurance rates are also going up. WJCL 22 News' Brooke Butler spoke to a real estate agent and insurance expert about why this is happening. So, Brooke, how does South Carolina and Georgia compare to other states?
Well, Shannon, it's not as bad as states like Florida or California, but we are experiencing a rise in rates. And I'm told there's a multitude of things contributing to the problem.
It's been challenging.
Jenny Rutherford is a real estate agent who sells property in both Georgia and South Carolina.
Over the past year to 2 years, we've been seeing insurance rates go up quite a bit, especially along the coast.
She says a lot of buyers are already feeling the stress of those rising rates.
Homeowners insurance is not transferable. So a lot of times when people are shopping for a new home, they're asking for the previous homeowner's insurance. That homeowner's insurance is not transferable to the new owner.
Michael Wise with the South Carolina Department of Insurance says there are a number of things contributing to the rate hike.
The labor that it takes to repair any damage, also the materials costs, those have gone up. That impacts rates.
He says property values are also up.
If you have more property to cover, then you're going to need more coverage, and that is going to be more expensive.
On top of that, insurance companies have to buy something called reinsurance. Those are often global companies, meaning if there's a natural disaster overseas,
whether it's an earthquake in Morocco or a typhoon off the coast of South Korea or a hurricane in the Atlantic, those things impact the reinsurance companies.
And if you live closer to the coast,
anybody that could be in a flood area, those rates are going up from 15% to 40%, just depending on where you live.
The reason for that in our state is hurricane exposure. So if you have a greater risk of damage from a hurricane along the coast that maybe those inland properties don't have, then the rates will be higher to compensate for that.
So what can you do?
We encourage insurance consumers to shop their coverage every year. We encourage them to find a trusted agent that they can talk to about their coverage needs and what options are available for them.
Ooh, this is a lot to take in, Brooke, but the South Carolina Department of Insurance has a lot of information available to the public.
Yeah, Shannon, their website, doi.sc.gov, is full of information. You can also call their toll-free number with any questions. Of course, we'll have that number as well as a link to that website on WJCL.com. Shannon.
All right, Brooke, thanks so very much for this information tonight.